Let's talk about something most of us avoid. The moment you realize you've hurt the person you love. Not intentionally, not maliciously, but you said something, did something, or failed to act, and now there's distance, pain, and silence that feels heavier than words. I've been there, and maybe you have too. Today's video is about the power of saying, "I was wrong," and how that one sentence, when backed by action, can transform a relationship. Why accountability matters in love. Here's the truth. Love without accountability isn't love at all. It's convenience. It's comfort, but it's not real connection. When we hurt someone, especially someone who trusted us with their heart, the easy way out is to blame, minimize, or pretend it's not that deep. But the courageous path is owning it. Accountability doesn't mean beating yourself up. It means acknowledging the impact of your actions, even if the intent was different. It means saying, "I see the pain I caused, and I'm sorry, not just because you're upset, but because I understand now." Why women feel love differently. Let's also talk about how many women experience love. For most women, love is emotional safety. It's presence, consistency. It's the feeling that her heart is safe in your hands, even in moments of disagreement or disappointment. So when that trust is broken by lies, neglect, or emotional withdrawal, it shakes everything. Because what she built with you was more than romantic. It was personal, sacred. And if she's still around after you hurt her, it's not weakness. It's hope. But hope fades fast without change. Redemption is a process, not a promise. I used to think saying sorry was enough. But I've learned, especially in love, that redemption is a process. It's not just about one grand apology. It's about consistent, quiet change. Do you listen more now? Do you reflect before reacting? Do you show up, not just when it's easy, but when it's uncomfortable? Making amends means doing the hard, slow work of rebuilding what you broke, brick by brick. And yeah, sometimes the damage is too deep. Sometimes, even growth doesn't guarantee reconciliation. But the effort? That still matters, because it changes you. And that's a win on its own. Building a stronger love from the broken pieces. Here's the beautiful part. When two people choose to grow together, when forgiveness meets genuine change, love can come back stronger. Because now it's no longer built on illusion. It's built on reality, on resilience, on truth. The cracks don't disappear, but they become part of the story. And if both hearts are still willing, that story can be beautiful. If you're watching this because you're in that space right now, where you've hurt someone and you're trying to fix it, or you've been hurt and you're wondering if change is possible, you're not alone. Drop a red heart in the comments if you believe in second chances. And if this message spoke to you, consider liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the bell, because this channel is all about real conversations around love, healing, and emotional truth.